How to find Uber Eats working promo codes. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process to find Uber Eats working promo code. I hope for a subscribe and a like if this tutorial helped you. Now let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Uber Eats working promo codes 2023. In the web page that you will be led to, you will be able to see various links sharing Uber Eats promo codes. Tap on any of the following link and now you will see the option for view coupon. Tap on that. You will now be able to view the Uber Eats promo code. Tap on the copy option and now go ahead and open Uber Eats and paste the code there while checking out, and this is how you can find Uber Eats working promo codes. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.